Good morning.
Hi, Tom. I said Tommy.
How are you doing?
Hi, sir. Okay.
Good morning.
Hi, Tommy.
How are you? Good morning.
Congratulations! May $50 ka sa amin. Ipadala ko sa inyo.
Good morning, Philippines.
Sit down, hon.
I'm gonna put you on the camera.
Oh, no. Oh my God. Han, I told you cannot just do that to him.
Ouch.
Okay, let me get him.
He's okay. He's okay.
No.
No, he's fine now, hon.
No, his butt is everywhere.
It's okay.
Hi guys! Hello po guys. Pasensya na guys, my husband with a cat. I'm sorry, this is his position right now. But anyway, hello mga ka-everything! Thank you guys so much for dropping by. Thank you guys so much for clicking. So this time, ang gagawin po natin is, di ba nagsabi ako na i-comment ninyo yung mga number ninyo? So, thank you guys so much for cooperating yung sabi ko. Thank you so much. And then, ang gagawin po namin is, tatawagan namin. Hindi lahat guys, kasi marami pala yung nag-reply. Marami pala. Oh my goodness, 53 people. So, tawagan namin siya and then may pa-surprise kami in the end. So, hopefully, makikita ninyo yan. Please keep on watching guys, kasi may pa-surprise kami sa isang lucky caller, lucky receiver. Honey, the balls. No,
Don't do that.
Okay. Anyway, guys, so please keep on watching. So, Tommy, say hi to everything. Hi, everything.
Hi, everything.
You guys are
Don't
my
mind-
everything.
Don't mind the tail in my face.
Yeah, that's. He's not even comfortable.
Come on, little man. Turn around.
So, we are going to pick, guys, we are going to pick a number here because there's a lot of you. We're just gonna surprise call, but we're not gonna stay longer on the phone because iring nagakos, because alam nyo na. And so oh my God, it's a lot. 53 people. Oh my goodness, for that only. Okay. So we are going to pick one. Okay, I'm going to dial one. Okay, we're going to dial sis Zeri Landicho. Landicho, okay? I'm going to dial her number and let's see.
What's her name? You need to brighten the screen here. Why do you keep it so dim?
Ano this one? Oh my God, that's why it hurt my eyes if it's so bright.
Is that alright?
My God, that tail of yours, bug. Okay, let's dial one person, okay? Let's see kung sasagutin niya. I'm sorry guys, Hubs is just annoying. Let's see if she will answer. It's not ringing. It's not ringing.
Face the camera if you want to be here. That's better.
So I guess I'm going to try another number. Yeah, Yvonne Varian.
Ryan.
Okay.
Not Varian.
Okay.
Well, I can't put him down. He want to be there. I wish he would turn around.
It's ringing, guys, pero it is ringing, but I don't hear anything.
You
Can you
sure,
put him
you
down?
don't have it muted or something?
Okay, it's not also. It's
Maybe something on your phone.
no, it's not. So this is not ringing. Try this. Akasha Joy Lopez. Let's throw 0.
Well, maybe it's too early, huh? Maybe you gotta wait a little bit.
No. Okay, let's try that number. No,
It's
no.
too early in the morning. Huh?
Yeah, hold on. People
No,
will.
you're calling it by too early in the morning.
No.
It's not right.
See, die cat. Hold on,
You
hon.
do it like 11 o'clock.
Oh, this is a different ringtone.
1 moment, please. We are calling your party.
Irene Martinez. Let's try Irene Martinez. If no one will answer, guys, we will do it, continue it later. Hopefully, I'm awake. Come here, hon.
1 moment, please.
The
We
same
are calling
thing.
your party.
We're calling your panty. That's what she said. We're
So we're
calling.
calling your party,
I know,
not your
honey.
panty.
We're calling.
Panty. Yes. Get smart. Had a phone in your shoe. You have a phone in your panty.
So I guess we're gonna continue this later. We will be right back. Kasi there's
This is what we call a bust. When things just don't work out the way you plan. That's a bust.
Yeah, so we're gonna do this continuation later, guys. I'm sorry because, you know. Okay, guys, nagbabalik kami, guys. Kasi gusto namin matapos karamat para makatulog na kami. That we can go to bed. Daisy Rodrigueza.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hel-
Sino to?
Si Daisy Rodrigueza po ba ito? Si MaryAnn at saka si MaryAnn at saka si Tammy, yung mga ka-everything. Oh no. Hello.
Hello, everything.
Hello everything. Hi sis. Hello, what happened? What
I
happened?
don't know. Did you press something?
I have to call her back. I have to call her back. No, I don't press
Yeah,
anything.
rude that you hung up.
No, I don't hang up. Hello sis, sorry, naputol. Sorry. Ano lang, oo, si MaryAnn po to. Ano lang to sis, pa-surprise call namin ni Tammy. Kumusta?
Kayo dyan sa US.
Okay lang. Kayo,
Okay lang po kami dito sa Philippines.
asan kayo sa Pilipinas?
Sa Caloocan po kami.
Sa Caloocan. It's in the Philippines.
Okay.
So, thank you sis so much sis ha sa sa mga ano ninyo sa time.
Ay, oo, everyday parati ako nag-aabang. Hindi nervous ang totoo. Unexpected.
Okay, Tommy is here.
How are you? I'm sorry, I don't speak Tagalog, unfortunately.
Okay. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm okay.
I hope it's not too early. We didn't wake you up.
Okay. Ang saya naman.
So sana hindi ka madisturbo sis ha. Pasensya na.
Okay lang. At dito lang ako sa bahay kasi bawal lumabas.
Parang si Kim Cho lang bawal lumabas. COVID.
Dito may araw lang ng paglabas.
So may pass kayo pala.
Oo, may quarantine pass kasi bawal lumabas.
Oo, gusto ko lang gusto ko marinig mga boses sa mga viewers, so yun.
Have a great day and stay healthy.
Stay healthy daw, sabi ni Tammy.
Okay, thank you.
Sige sis, bye-bye. Thank you. Good morning. Bye-bye.
Thank you, MaryAnn.
Okay.
Salamat.
Oo, sige, bye-bye.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Okay, let's call Marlene Sua, guys. Let's see if she will answer. Hello?
Hello?
Hello, si Marlene Sua po ba ito?
Opo?
Yung sa YouTube?
Opo. At sino po sila?
May utang ka sa akin. Si MaryAnn po ito, Reality TV.
Sino po?
Si MaryAnn, Reality TV with Tamimoy, mga ka-everything.
Oh no!
Ay, serious?
Hi, sis!
Good morning.
Ano yung plahibo ko sa'yo?
Kumusta po kayo dyan sa Pinas? Tammy is here.
Okay lang po, ECQ. MaryAnn.
Oh.
ECQ kami dito. Lagi ako nanonood. Ngayon nga, inaabahan ko kung mayroon kang bago. Wala eh.
Oo, every sis, every night. Every night sa Pinas, 5 o'clock.
Pati nga yung asawa ko sa yung anak ko minsan tumitingin din. Nandito ako ngayon, kaya naka-online ako kasi nag-aabang ako kung mayroon ka. Tuwag-tuwag kasi ako sa'yo.
Salamat sis. Say hi to Tammy.
Good morning.
Hi, Tom. Hi, Sir Tommy.
How are you doing?
Hi, Sir. Okay. Ako, naiyak ako.
That's a...
Kasi lahat lagi ng vlog mo, pinapanood ko siya.
She's been watching my vlog. So, thank you so much, sis.
Yes. Thank you. Naiyak ako talaga sobra.
No, thank you.
Ay, ingat kayo lagi dyan, sis.
O, kayo din. Ingat din dyan. Pa-surprise ko lang to sa mga viewers ko, sis.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
Ingat, ha? Ingat.
Okay,
Thank you for...
bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Stay safe, stay
Stay
healthy,
safe.
have a great day.
Kay Sir Tommy, ingat kayo lagi, sis.
Oo, kayo,
Bye.
kayo din.
Bye,
Bye-bye.
thank you.
So, yun ang babait ng mga viewers natin, di ba? She said, oh, she's teary-eyed. She said she is watching my vlog. Okay, let's try to call Vicky Dipaz. Okay. It's a weird ring. Right?
Well, sometimes it rings like that. You're going to do like the whole international network. Oh.
Hello?
Hello? Is this Chichi Cuesta?
Hi, MaryAnn.
No.
How do you know? Paano mo nalaman na ako to?
Ay, buti ko pa lang.
Ha?
Kabalang napadaan sa iyong tingog.
Ah, she know my voice already.
Kaya lang po, pwede ko pagpal naman English.
Ah, she doesn't know to speak. Say hi to Tommy.
Good morning.
Hi, Tommy.
How are you? Good morning.
May bunta,
Good morning. She said, may bunta. Good morning.
Meron ako number.
Oo. So, sis, nanawag mi sa mga surprise call sa mga viewers. Gusto na ko marinig yung mga boses ninyo. May mga COVID na ba dyan?
Sa di oro, sa mga diri, buwan lang, nagandaghan na po.
Oh, daghan-daghan na po di ay.
Sa mga buwan, murag-balik mo siya.
Sis, lagi pa yung video. Wala pa sis, mamayang gabi pa. 5 o'clock. Thank you so much sis ha, sa time sis ha, sa panonood. Salamat.
Oo, gamit ko na natanaw man, magabi ilang tay. Ako ba yung nagmay ko negosyo ang punta.
Sige sis, ingat po ha.
Sige, thank you sa pag-call.
Ay, okay, thank you so much. Thank you sa time sa panonood talaga ng video. Ingat ha.
Sige, ma'am.
And thank you. Be well. Be safe.
Thank you, bye. Thank you sis. Bye-bye.
I was thinking that before you do anybody else.
Okay. Gipaningot ako ng maraming singot. Ganito pala yun.
It's a little unfair about that. I don't understand.
I know, sorry, Han. Sorry, B-boy.
What are you calling?
This one. Nani. Just do that, Nani. I hope he or she will answer. So, there's no answer. I called you, Nani. Nani, na.
I'm guessing.
I'm going to try this number. Okay, this one here. Jilin Rabanis. Okay. Write it down here. Wow. You have a nice handwriting, no? Hello. Si Jilin Rabanis po ba ito? Hello, si Jilin Rabanis po ba ito? Si ano po ito? Si MaryAnn Reality TV. May utang ka sa akin.
Huh?
Hello, ay Bisaya na ini. Bisaya ni ay. Ay, say hi to Tommy.
Good morning.
Hi.
How are you?
Good morning. I'm fine. How about you and MaryAnn?
We're doing okay.
We're good.
We're glad you're doing well.
So, asan ka? I'm going to speak, okay? So, asan ka sa Pinas, sis? Sa Mindanao? Ah, ano ba isiha? Ah, okay. So, sis, hinanap dito surprise sa aming viewers. Gusto niya magiging mga posis ng mga viewers namin. Oo. Lagi. Oy, anak, man dyan nang naikatol sa lubot. Hey! Thank you so much, sis, ha?
May mga Bisaya tanaw, talingaw.
Sige. Say hi to, say bye-bye to Tommy.
Be well, be healthy.
Thank you for calling.
Oh, thank you. You have a great day.
Oh, you're welcome. Have a great night also.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna call few people, okay? You can leave, or you can say hi, or you can say hi later, okay? Okay, this one. Caroline. Okay, I'm gonna call her number. How you say it, Caroline?
Yeah.
Sweet Caroline. Ooh, ooh, ooh. No answer. Hello? 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 Si Caroline Tuliao po ba ito? Si Caroline po ba ito?
Yes po.
Kasi may utang kasi si MaryAnn Reality TV po ito.
Oo.
May utang ka sa akin.
Wala. Paano ako nagkautang sa'yo?
Si ano po ito? Si MaryAnn Reality TV at saka si Tommy.
Haha. Ano pong utang ko sa inyo?
No!
Hello?
Hello?
Si Mary...
Wala naman yatang wala namang ganun naka-stipulate.
Ay, ganun po ba? Hello, sis!
Yes. Hello, how are you?
Na ano po ba ako? Nakilala mo ba ako?
Yung salita mo lang, I mean yung ano mo, kasi naririnig ko eh. Yung ano mo, yung boses mo, the same as the one I always watch.
Say hi to Tommy.
Good morning.
Hi, Tommy. How are you?
I am good. Good morning. How are you doing?
Oh, I'm good. I just had some moments. I just had my rosary and I prayed for Richard, you know.
Ay, sorry, sis. Nakadisturbo, Mrs.
No. Hindi, okay lang.
May utang ka tuloy. May utang. I told her she owed me something.
Yeah, Mary said she owes me. I owe you.
Tell her she's got that backwards.
This year lang?
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry, sis. Condolence.
We're so sorry for your loss.
I know it's hard, you know, but you guys make my days all the time. Reminding me of him every time you teach each other. You know, I am like that too, MaryAnn.
Sige, sis. So, ingat ka lang, sis. Ingat ka lang dyan. Kayo ng mga anak mo.
Mag-comment ulit ako pag ano. Thank you very much, ha?
Okay,
Sana
sis.
I'm gonna meet you one day.
Sana, sis, pag makauwi kami.
You stay healthy.
Yeah, sure. Oo.
Thank you.
And we pray for you as well. Stay healthy.
Stay healthy. Bye-bye, sis. Ingat.
Yeah, me too. Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, so I'm almost lubat. So now, before I'm going to end this vlog, I'm going to change the ano. Thank you so much, sis. Be healthy, Caroline. Caroline to Liao. Be healthy. And also, I'm sorry, sis. Condolence po kasi ano, yun. So, for now, I'm going to change the battery and then we're gonna pick the winner. Okay, I'm going to call another one, si Nani. I wanna call Nani again. Let's see if he will answer.
Hello?
Hello? Si Nani po ba ito yung sa YouTube?
Hi, MaryAnn.
What? Hi!
Hello.
Kumusta?
Nabutisa na ka na ako, ah.
Nailhan ko nimo na ano, Bisaya kasi Tagalog.
Bisaya boy.
Ah.
Davao.
Ah. So kaila day ka sa kung tingog di ay.
Ayun sa Monday. Ay, sige yung tagtanaw sa minuto.
Ewan ko, sige ta. Nanawag ko sa mga akong mga sa nag-views, sa naghatag og number. So,
malagi. Kamata, karon pa ko namata ba?
ah, waday ko nimo gitubag ha.
Hala, gikan mo silang nasod niya tao. Wala ko na kuanan dyan na nasa ko istigit. Diba kasi mirig? Tama, Diyos ko ay.
Sige na, apa ko gipaabot.
Hindi na sa inyo.
Oo, gabiin na. Gabiin na. Gusto ka muhay ni Tami?
Ay, maulo mo kung mag-English, anday, mahilap sa English.
Mag ano lang good, mag-hi lang. Tay sa hi lang kadali good. Nani, yung sa'yo, anong pangalan mo? MaryAnn, say hi.
Good morning.
Good morning. Hi, Tami.
How are you?
Ingat po ha. Asa ka karon gani Mindanao na karon sa ano?
Ala, ako pala sa Cavite nagpuyo.
Ah. So kumusta ang mga COVID diha? Kumusta?
Napatisco ko, naghakayan na diri, oy.
Hala, oy.
Nagkuan ba ko?
Sige, ingat ha. Thank you sa pag-ano, tubag.
Oo. Salamat din.
Sige, sis.
Be well, be healthy.
Be healthy daw.
Thank you. No, thank you.
Thank you, sis. Han, come here, Han. Let's announce this, Han. Come here. Han, come here. Hello. Si Babes Marinas po ba ito? Yes. Hoy! Kumusta?
Wow.
Kumusta? Hoy, na-recognize mo yung boses ko? Ay, syempre. Say hi to Tommy.
Yes?
Say hi to
Good
Tommy.
morning.
Hi, Tommy.
How are you? Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning daw.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm okay. How about you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Very handsome. Happy. MaryAnn.
What? What? What's this?
Very handsome. Handsome.
Ah, very handsome. Oh. Nahiya tuloy, sis. Nahiya. He's shy.
Kamusta ka na dyan?
Okay lang pa rin. Maputot. Maano, short pa rin. Hindi tumaas.
Hindi naman. Ma-beauty naman.
Oh, ma-beauty.
Dito sa house, bawal kami lumabas.
Ah, parang si Kim Cho, bawal lumabas. Bawal lumabas.
Oo. Nice talking to you, MaryAnn. I was surprised.
Oo, kami. Wala si mga ano. Yan naman. Oo, nagba. Yun lang. Ang bilang. Ano, natin mo.
Yeah, be safe. Thank you. Nice talking to you.
Sige,
Thank
nice.
you for calling.
Oo, sige sis, ingat. Thank you so much. Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
bye-bye. Some people, yung ibang tao guys, nakilala yung boses ko. It's like so happy talaga. So happy. Okay, let's write here down. So, we're going to pick the winner. Isa lang yung winner. Ang Tami decided to give load. Not all of you guys, pero magbigay siya ng load sa mga ibang bigyan ko na lang, pipiliin ko na lang guys kung sino yung mabigyan. Yeah, so I'm going to call the winner. How much we're gonna give? How much you're gonna give? $50. And thank you so much. And I will call now the winner, and then the rest we're going to give load. Hindi lahat guys, sa pasensya na guys, hindi lahat yung mabigyan ng load. Pero, pipiliin ko lang dalawang load and then $150. Okay, let's call that person back. Hello? Ako na naman ito.
What? Yes, ma'am. Kasi ko makakakuha mo kayo makainom din.
Oy, ayaw na pag ma'am. Oy, kaya di man ko maestra.
Sis, ano lang.
Sis, lang mga ka-everything. Oy, may good news ako sa iyo. May bigay si Tami sa inyo. Okay, teka muna ha. Okay. Si Tami, see something, honey. Hold on.
Hello again. Congratulations.
Hello, sister. Hello.
Congratulations! May $50 ka sa amin. Ipadala ko sa inyo. So, ikaw yung winner ng $50. Oo.
Thank you, maayo.
Hopefully it helps.
Sana...
Thank you.
Oh, it's our pleasure. Thank you for watching all the time.
So, congratulations, sis. Ikaw yung nanalo ng $50. So, ano na lang, sis. So, naka-ano po ito, guys, sis, ha? Naka-record po ito. Lalabas po ito sa vlog mga few days. Ano? Okay lang?
Opo. Opo.
So, ano, sis?
Oo, bahala na. Mag-isaya lang ko.
Oo, pag Bisaya lang, sis. So, ano, sis? Ang ano mo na lang, sis, pag Bisaya lang, ang gagawin mo lang, sis, is ano, di ba, naka-add ka doon sa ano, Facebook page?
Sa Facebook page?
Oo, yung MaryAnn Reality TV.
Ay, naka-add ba po ako?
Oo, naka-like ba ka dito?
Oo, naka-add ko ako.
O, pag message dito, sis, unya isend yung information nimo sa yung kung ano yung nasa ID nimo. Yung full name. So, congrats, sis! Ikaw yung nanalo sa among pag-giveaway.
Thank you kaayo, sis Ann.
Oo, you're welcome. Sige, sis, ha? Sige, congrats, sis. And then, send mo yung information, okay?
Sige, sis Ann. Thank you.
Ayaw lang uli sa uli. Kuan na lang kining kung ana kay time kay gabi naman pud basin ugma na nako ni mapadala kong tag. Unsay nga lang nimo sa Facebook, sis, para dili ko mawala. Pareha lang pala. Sis, sige, sis. Sige.
Well, you're very welcome. Hopefully it brings you a little joy this time.
Sis, kahit konti lang yan, sis, pero salamat sa time sa panonood ng vlog.
Salamat sis kaayo.
Sige, sis.
Ma-explain ako kalipay.
She's so happy. She can explain, sis.
Try lang ko at sa isa kong number.
Okay, so now we have a winner. Okay, guys, we're going to end this video. Thank you guys so much sa panonood. Thank you guys. So, yun. And meron na tayong winner. And yung kung ano, dalawa lang yung napili ko ng load. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Tommy is taking his meds. So, please don't, guys, don't be discouraged kasi meron pa tayong mga pag-giveaway in the future. So, yun. Please keep on watching sa video natin, sa mga vlog natin.
We would do more if we could.
So, come here and say something before we end this vlog. Say something. So, please keep on watching, guys.
Bye, guys.
Please keep on watching because in the future, we will do giveaway again because Tammy gusto niyang magpa-giveaway, guys. Tammy like to do giveaways. So, please keep on watching. If you are not subscribed into this channel, please subscribe para naman, and then i-click nyo yung bell para ma-notify kayo. Notification bell para ma-notify kayo kung kailan kami magpa-giveaway kasi si Tammy automatic yan kung anong kailan gusto niya. Sobrang thankful sa inyo sa support ninyo sa channel namin. Thank you so much sa mga nanonood and also sa mga old videos ko may nanonood pa rin. Thank you guys so much for watching. And
guys, thank you for watching. We wish we could do more or like have something for everybody.
Yeah, we will do more
little by little.
Yeah, Tammy gusto niya. We will do more giveaways in the future.
Yeah, time to little
hard.
right now, but
Yeah, no work, nothing. And so yun. Thank you guys. Thank you, honey. Bye.
Thanks, guys.
Please keep on watching.
Have a
Bye-bye.
great day.
Bye. Good night.
So rock about